Alrighty, so today talking about writing and graphing the line, given the slope and the point. Okay, so remember y equals mx plus b. We are given m is equal to the slope, b is the y-intercept, and then xy we can plug in for points that are on the line. Okay, so if we're given the slope and the y-intercept like this, okay, if we're given the slope and the y-intercept like this, pretty straightforward. Our y-intercept is 4. Okay, our slope is -2, so we can write our equation, y equals -2x plus 4. And as far as graphing goes, y-intercept of 4, slope of -2, so we go up 2, going to the left 1, and down 2 to the right 1, like that. So our line would look like that. Okay, try this one on your own. Okay, given the slope and the y-intercept, okay, write the equation and graph the line. Okay, so now given the point, not a y-intercept, so we take 3 and we're plugging it in for m, 1 for x, -2 for y. We're going to solve for b. So 3 times 1 would be 3. Move 3 to the other side. And so we end up getting our b value of -5. So now we have our b value and we have our slope, so we can write our equation, y equals 3x minus 5. -5, our y-intercept, our slope of +3. And notice we talked about it going through the point 1, -2, which is right here. Okay, so it clearly shows that it goes through that point. Okay, we'll do another one here. Okay, so we have our slope of -2. We have our x value of 1. We have our y value of 4. So again, we're trying to solve for our b value. 4 equals -2 plus b. So now I have my y-intercept, my b value, and my slope. So my equation would be y equals -2x plus 6. Okay, there's my y-intercept of 6, slope of -2, so I can go down 2 to the right one, or up 2 to the left one. Okay, give you a second to copy. All right, try these 3 on your own. You don't have to graph them. Okay, just make an equation. Okay, so make an equation of the line that has that slope and goes through that point. Okay, I'll give you about 5-10 minutes. All right, so on the first one, we have slope of 2, point of 4, -1, so -1 goes in for y. My slope is 2, my point, my x value is 4. So I have -1 equals 8 plus b. So I get -9 equals b. So I take my slope from above, y equals 2x minus 9. Same here, my x and my y values, so -3 equals 1/2 times 6 plus b. Okay, half of 6 is 3. I have -3 equals 3 plus b. Subtract 3 from both sides. Get a b value of -6. So I get y equals 1/2 x minus 6. Here, point of 4, 5, slope of -3. So I get 5 equals -12 plus b. You get a b value of 17. Okay, so I get y equals -3x plus 17. Okay, last one, do this one. Shoot me the answer you get in the group chat. Okay, so come up with the equation for this one. And then write the answer in the chat, please. All right, thank you for those of you that answered, so I know at least half of you are somewhat engaged. Okay, so struggling a little bit. Remember, y equals mx plus b, where this is our slope. Okay, so if you're given this question, right, if nothing else, you should be able to at least take this -2 and plug that in, right? That's going to be your slope no matter what. Okay, so you can always run that over there. We give you half the answers, because what you'll see is that, and they'll be like, fill in the blanks plus something, right? Okay, so no matter what, you should be able to plug in -2 if you're given the slope. Okay, so now we plug in x and y. So here's x, there's y. So we have -3 equals -2 times 1 plus b. -2 times 1 would be -2. So now I need to add the 2 over to the other side so I can solve for b. So then I get a b value of -1. So I have my slope, I have my y-intercept, y equals -2x minus 1.